Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Beretta 92XI SAO Tactical. Alright guys, so the Beretta 9211 SAO Tactical is going to come shipped in this black box. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so we have two 18-round metal magazines. So there's one here, one here, and of course you get the Beretta 9211 Tactical. And here is a lock. Down under the foam, up on top, you get this user's manual, QR code, and then there's a Beretta pamphlet here, telling you in Italian. You get different languages in here, and there's your owner's warranty registration card. Alright, you guys, take a closer look at the Beretta 92XI, also known as 9211. So first off, of course, letting you know that it is clear. Nothing in the magazine, nothing in the chamber. Put that back in, the 18-round magazine. So you do have a little bit of a mag extension. For my hands, not really necessary, but I know some people that have larger hands, they'll feel a lot more comfortable with the pinky rest. You do have different type of angled grip compared to the regular 92 series. So it's more like straight, sort of like the 1911. And you have texturing here in the rear, a lot on the sides. You can switch these grips out if you choose to. And then you have some grip and texturing at the front. And then here is the mag release. So more texturing here. And it is a little pronounced, but not enough to accidentally hit while you're shooting. You have positive ejection, which is awesome. Makes it for faster reloads. And then moving here to the trigger, so you get more of a flat face type trigger with a little bit of texturing in the front. And that trigger pull is actually really nice. So here's a take up, a little wall break, and then the reset right there, and back. So the SAO stands for single action only. So the regular 92 series can be in double action or single action, which you see here, there's no double action. So you have to have the hammer cocked in order to fire, which I don't mind. The single action is going to be far more crisp and short than the double action. And you do have a 3-slot Picatinny rail here, so you can attach lights and lasers. And moving up to the top, or here in the side, there is this frame mounted safety. So they moved the slide safety down to the frame, make it more like a 1911 where it's cocked and locked. So if you have that down and you have the safety up, nothing's going to happen because you can switch that down and go ahead and fire. And you do have the slide release. It's not ambidextrous. And here's your takedown lever. Rear serrations here on the slide and front serrations. So it makes it easier to press check, or if you wanted to reload this way, you could do that. And then since this is the tactical model, you're going to receive the raised rear and front 3-dot white sights, and there is a little bit of texturing here in the rear. And you do have the optics capability on this, which I actually did end up getting an optic plate, the Trijicon RMR plate, since that's the most popular I like, and also easier to get as far as optics go. And you're going to have this nice gray barrel here. It's kind of silver gray coated, and it is threaded, so you can put a suppressor on here or a comp. And so it does have the little washer here just to protect the threads. Close that there. Yeah, and overall super smooth slide. That's what I've noticed right out of the box. It's a very smooth slide. Very nice grip. I love the angle. I love the sights. Super tall sights. And the manual safety isn't getting in the way for me. Actually feels fine for my hands. The grip. Really enjoy this pistol. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at that range footage. Where I was aiming. All right, guys, so that was the Beretta 92XI SAO Tactical. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.